What was the world like before history was written down? In the world before history, pupils embark on an immersive three-part journey through prehistoric life, exploring how innovation, creativity, and community shaped human societies long before written records. The experience begins with pre-preparatory resources designed for teachers or home educators to use in advance. These introduce key concepts and vocabulary, helping pupils feel confident and ready to get the most out of the live sessions. Our archaeologists then deliver 3 in-person sessions, each focused on a major turning point in early human history. The journey begins in the Stone Age. Pupils step into the world of the first humans, discovering how people lived before farming, how they hunted, gathered, made tools, and painted by firelight. They handle replica artifacts, explore shelters and fire-making, and recreate prehistoric cave art inspired by the caves of Lascaux, using natural pigments and simple tools. Next comes the Neolithic revolution, the birth of farming, pottery, and the first villages. Pupils explore how domestications transformed daily life and how settled communities emerged. Using examples such as Carabrai, they investigate early villages before hand-building their own Neolithic pots using traditional techniques. The final session moves into the Bronze Age, a time of innovation, mobility, and long-distance exchange. Pupils explore metalworking, weaving and trade networks, weave with ancient-style fibres, and cast their own Bronze Age axe blade using safe, traditional methods. But what if your children are homeschooled? Don't worry, we've got you covered. All sessions can be adapted for live online delivery, allowing home-educated learners to take part safely and actively from home through interactive teaching, images, video, and 3D models. After the workshops, learning continues with free follow-up and evaluation resources, supporting reflection, assessment, and further exploration back into the classroom or at home. Led by academic archaeologists and carefully tailored to Key Stage 2 and Key Stage 3, our workshops combine real research, hands-on learning, and critical thinking. Visit our website to find out more and book your workshop.